I remember day first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juices intake. Therefore the smiley faces from these sliding, gliding.
Show you around, show you around. So this is Tessa eating some yummy pizza. This is Alina eating some yummy pizza. This is Nene. She's waiting for her sushi, which isn't here yet, but sushi's here. Boom. This is Davide.
Maybe a little bit higher.
Yo.
Get it straight.
That's Joe, and then we got one more person up here. That's Jen. Oh. She's and who's tying it up? That's my girl. Oh. Damn, Jimmy. Oh shit. She's a handy girl. She's cute. She knows how to use it. Oh shit. She knows.
This might be my glasses though.
Can you put those ones?
This needs to be a bit straighter.
Liam, you got any batteries?
We have downstairs. We have batteries in there. In the top. Yeah. That was not right.
Well, we're still navigating. We'll talk. It's kind of cool. That I know.
You got rejected.
You gotta come to the beach.
I'm so sorry.
You come to the beach, huh?
This is my last night in this apartment, and you know, it's definitely a little bit emotional, having spent the last 14 plus months here through a big period of growth and change and redirection and a whole lot of things going on in this space. There's been so much happen. We've had friends come in and out of living in this space, and some of my best friends and best memories have been created whilst I've been living here. And so yeah, I'm really thankful, I think, for the time that I've got to spend at Unit 2 here. I think there's so many great things that have started here that will be carried on throughout the rest of my life, and yeah, I'm just really grateful and thankful that that's been able to happen. Not everything lasts forever, and sometimes the best things in life, they are meant to come to an end, and that's okay. And I think there's something beautiful about that, because it opens up space and it opens up a new chapter that is full of possibilities and full of opportunities as well. But I'm also really excited for what's ahead. Me and Tess are moving in next door, so it's not like we're moving country or city, but the space does play a big part in you know, work and life, and it is a different space, and so I am leaving this one, and it just definitely feels like a bit of a, you know, a new chapter. The memories that you've seen on this YouTube channel, and probably we'll keep seeing clips going forward, little bits and pieces, but John, Alina and nene Davide are going away for a while, and so they won't be at Cisco Lane anymore. So the memories with those guys will be gone and cherished, but nonetheless, there will be plenty more good times still spent here. But seasons do come to an end, and I'm thankful for all the memories and the moments that this season has held. And so yeah, this is just a little video note to camera. I'm rambling now, but yes, very happy and content and stoked. And so I think I might just go play some music and have a dance, or I might call my mum and dad actually, because I've been meaning to do that for a while. So either one of those two. But sunset is looking beautiful out the window. Wow, what a dream space. Cisco Lane, you will be missed. Much love, and can't wait to show you the new place we're moving into. Last night at the crib. I'm currently living here. In a few days we'll be living there. And here it is. Sunset. Yeah, to be honest, it's kind of funny because like we're moving house, but we're literally just going from this over to that one, which, you know, it's not that crazy, but it's a bit of change. So still a lot of work, still a lot of effort, but yeah. Yeah, nice one of them. Cleaning day, crew up top. We have the whole setup downstairs. It's full clean. Everyone is moving out. Update, this is the situation. We got all the op shop stuff here. Still getting rid of things. Bedrooms are a bit of a tip. This is kind of just everything. I've packed all my shirts and clothes into boxes. Alina's going hard at it in the bathroom. Get it, Alina? And yeah, packing day is going well. It's pretty chaos in here, but always good so far. Guys happy as ever.
Oh yeah, that's how we do it. So these are all Jai's samples of brands of businesses he started ages ago, and we've just stumbled upon them. Turns out I was sleeping on them under the bed for a couple years almost.
All of this has been under his bed for like 2 years.
Crazy. Anyway, look at the chaos going on. Stuff everywhere. We should definitely have a garage sale at some point. Oh!
Anything I want, baby, I can ride you. Just let me get inside you. Just vlogging our life, surprising them for our last day before we get the keys to our new place. I tried to get him to drink coffee, but he wouldn't drink it. Yeah, I don't care how high you are. So I thought to celebrate, we would do something fun tonight. So I got us tickets to our favourite band ever, and we're gonna go see Spacey Jane.
No!
Yeah.
Spacey Jane are playing here!
Yeah. A private like show.
What? What?
Yeah.
Oh, let's fucking go. Feeling good.
Yeah.
Mum's getting the cleaning going. Should be listening to a podcast or something. Anyway, bit of a tip in here. And we're cleaning up the carpet, getting all the glue off, and Tess is loving the handyman life. On the tools. Oh yeah.
Plastic things. Oh, we have one. Put all of this stuff is down. And I put one in one and because I remember. Worry about that later.
Pleasure doing business. Nice. What's up?
Hello.
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 Just a little BTS could be cool, but don't go wide because it's all shaky on the thing.
Alright, see you later. Try and rip it over when you say. Yay!
Happy yay!
Happy yay!
They're going over east. They will be missed. But I will see them soon.
We are so sad.
Don't cry. Yes, don't make us cry.
It's been off literally for like
All for this guy.
6 hours and it's not.
You are my lord.
That's so good. Yeah,
Thanks, my lord.
like we dance, we like.
Yeah, it's actually cool.
Not like physical, like take a photo or like. You need a little one. is this on? You're still filming them. Oh. How long's that been for? She's always just like, hey bud, I don't run ads. I've never like done like anything just like the self-pursuit, and they were and like literally that kind of beat it.
And then actually shooting footage that's graded or different resolutions.
Obviously, depending on what's been exposed differently, it's always going to be slightly different. Yeah. Let's say we kept going down that road.
Let's go.
That's sick. Oh no. Oh, sick.
I remember day first came in that room filled with sun rays, rich in jewels and intake. Therefore the smiley faces.